This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Renegade battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, a ratchet, an extension, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always prioritize safety by ensuring the ignition is off and wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. You'll find the battery conveniently located on the passenger side of the engine bay, ready for access. To begin, locate the negative battery terminal, often marked with a minus sign. Use your 10mm socket or wrench to loosen and remove this cable first. Then, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and disconnect it using the same 10mm socket. Finally, you'll need to loosen and remove the 13mm nut that secures the battery hold-down bracket, freeing the old battery. With the old battery removed, carefully lift and position your new Group H6 battery into the battery tray. Ensure it sits snugly and is properly aligned. Reinstall the battery hold-down bracket, tightening the 13mm nut until the battery is secure and cannot shift. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, using your 10mm socket to tighten both connections firmly. After installing the new battery, double-check that all terminal connections are tight and the battery hold-down is secure. A loose connection can cause electrical issues. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery. Most auto parts stores or recycling centers will accept it. This helps protect the environment. For more great tips and deals, including how to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.